Hello, welcome back. So now our project is come to the final stage. So we just leave a little bit of a touch up. So as you can see here, we got two exhaust fan, and then one air cooler, and then we got a fiberglass exhaust fan, and then another one, and here is a normal commercial exhaust fan with a shutter grill. Okay. So for the normal commercial exhaust fan, you can see lah, this is most widely used outside lah. Okay, but this one we just add on another shutter grill to prevent all the bug or mosquito fly coming in. Okay, this one just for ventilation purpose only, so that your inside the air is not trapped inside, so it will keep moving like you got fresh air lah. So on the other side of the factory, we have another one air cooler, the AC300. Okay, and then also another one fiberglass. So this air cooler and exhaust fan is made into one pair. So one is boosting in fresh air, cool fresh air inside, go in your factory, and then this fiberglass will extract all the hot air inside. Let's take a look at the inside view. So for our fiberglass type, you can see inside is a grill. This is an auto shutter grill also, it's a mechanical one. So when you switch on, the grill will open. When you switch off, the grill will off. So this one, if you can see, this one is for the air cooler, where it discharge all the cool air coming in. We call the discharge grill for air cooler. And then for this side, we have two island style exhaust hood. Okay, with the grease filter inside lah. So just now you can see the motor is outside. Okay. This one is a place for them to cook. And then this is another two air cooler discharge grill. Okay, blowing two side, two way. So this is another fiberglass exhaust fan. Okay, the view from inside. Okay, I think that's it for our project. Okay, for this factory. So anything, if you have any inquiry about ventilation, air cooling or kitchen exhaust hood, you can directly contact us and then we can give you the best quotation. Okay, I think that's all for today. So see you again.